Hi, this is Maureen from A Premier Travel here today at Zoetry Resort in Montego Bay, Jamaica. This is a luxury boutique resort, 5-star, all-inclusive with endless privileges. And with me today we're going to describe one of the rooms, and we have Kaylia, who is the Associate Sales Director from Zoetry.
Hi, walk on from Jamaica. So today we are in our junior suite tropical view room. So now we're just going to take a quick look. Here we have our tablet. This is our crave tablet. You can see it has been sanitized. So basically from this tablet you can order all room service. You can basically look at the different options for spa. Just about anything you need, then you can also do it through the tablet. But you also have our concierge who will be able to give you all these details as well. Here in our room we have a mini bar. Now this is stocked upon request as is right now, and this is done twice daily. So you'll get your water, you get your beer and sparkling wine daily as well, and you also get fresh fruits, and those are on request as well.
So when we checked in, our butler asked us exactly what we wanted in our mini fridge, and whatever we wanted he brought up, so it's completely endless privileges.
Now you also get your beach bag and your beach towel. Now this is the view that you see. It's a tropical view room, so you have this view here. But then also you get an extra because you can still see just a little bit of the ocean from this room. Now one of the benefits of booking this suite, you can request a corner suite, is that you have more space because you have the corners. So that's, just a tidbit for you when you're booking with Marine, just to ask for a corner suite.
And they have 2 great love couches right here to sit there, enjoy, read a book, lounge. And then we come into this wonderful bathroom that we all wish we had at home.
Look at this double vanity. So you have his and hers, no worries. Maureen won't take over all the space from right here.
Yes. And everything comes in a bag of all your bathroom amenities that are upgraded, that are sealed inside a plastic bag, so you are the first one to touch it.
But I'd also like to show them. Can I show them?
Right ahead.
So it's all Bulgarian amenities. So again, alluding to the endless privileges. So you only have luxury amenities here when you're staying at Zoetry Montego Bay.
And a little stool, makeup stool, to sit here, and 2 makeup mirrors, one against the wall and one right here, which you can move around, and it also lights up.
Yeah.
Which is
might
not be plugged in. Yeah, it might not be plugged in. Okay, good.
You also have your hair dryer and your scale, but who's checking their weight on a vacation, right?
Exactly.
Not Robert.
And then we have the commode, and then we have the closet, which always has a safe and a steamer.
Now this is the laundry basket. Here at Zoetry Montego Bay, we do your laundry free of cost. So once you make the request, then we get your laundry done and bring it back to your room. So no need to return home with a suitcase full of dirty laundry.
And my favorite is the bathrobes. I always love having a bathrobe and the complimentary slippers to use, which is fabulous.
And also umbrellas in case there's liquid sunshine.
But it never rains in Jamaica. And then we have this big, long, this big, beautiful walk-in shower. And I love that this resort does so much in natural stones, natural wood bench. They try to use as much natural elements as possible. A little rain shower there as well, a handheld shower. So I hope you subscribe to A Premier Travel's YouTube channel, and when you're ready to book Zoetry Montego Bay, please call Maureen at A Premier Travel.